What conflicts might arise between federal and state government? In our federal system, Congress can make the laws governing the people. The state governments can also make laws governing the people. Can you you can imagine that in this kind of system, there will be many times when state laws conflict with those made by Congress. In one instance, these conflicts led to a war between the states. This was known as the Civil War. The farmers created a new, very complicated form of government. They could not predict exactly what powers the state and federal governments could eventually have. Early in our history, the state governments were very powerful. Today, the federal government has far more power over the state governments than most of the farmers could have imagined. In thinking about the relationships between the federal and state government, it's important that we understand the following things. The first thing is, in spite in the increase in the power of the federal government, most of the laws that affect us directly are state laws. These include laws regarding education, property, contracts, families, and criminal behavior. And the second thing is, in most cases, it is Congress that decides how much power will be left to the states. Congress makes its decisions on a basis of practical and political issues. Voters can influence these decisions. In developing a federal system of government, the farmers invented a new way to organize a government. In this system, sovereignty remains with the people. The people can give certain limited powers to the federal government and state governments. Each level of government has the authority to act directly upon the people. This complicated system is sometimes not as efficient as a unitary system of government. The farmers did not see this as a disadvantage. In fact, they considered it to be one of the advantages of federalism. The farmers thought that the separation of powers between the federal and state government was one way to protect the rights of the people.